A very good morning to all my lovely children. This is Monica ma'am signing in as your English teacher. I hope all of you are taking good care of your health and also doing your studies regularly. So dear children, let's have a quick look at the topics that we have completed so far. This is the index page of your Marigold English Reader and we have completed Unit 1, Poem Good Morning and the lesson The Magic Garden. We have also done Bird Talk poem from Unit 2. Today we will be doing the lesson from Unit 2, that is Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Come on, let's start reading the lesson titled as Nina and the Baby Sparrows. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, Mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, Mother. Nina's mother was upset. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, Mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? So up till now what we have read, that there is a small girl named Nina and there is joy in her family, and the reason behind it is her aunt's marriage. Everyone was preparing to go for the wedding ceremony in Delhi. Everyone was excited. Nina's father, her mother and the younger brother. But she wasn't looking so happy. So her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress, as whenever there is a function in our family, we also go and buy a new dress. Similarly, her mother also took her to a shop and asked her that what color would you like to buy. Nina refused to buy a dress. Her mother gave her an option, would you like to have a salwar kameez? She did not say anything. Instead, she shook her head. Now, her mother asked her that what about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? You wanted to buy them. Come on, let's go and buy those shoes. But Nina again replied that I do not want them either. Now Nina's mother was a bit upset, but she did not say anything. After they went home and after their lunch, the mother came and sat near her daughter Nina and very politely she asked her that what is it, child? What is bothering you? Why you are not looking happy and excited about your aunt's marriage? Is there any problem? Then you can share. Why are you saying no to everything I am suggesting you to buy for the wedding? Look at this picture. You can see that how upset this little girl Nina is. You can see tears in her eyes. That means something was actually bothering her a lot. Let us read the story further and find out what was the reason behind her tears. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, 2 big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Now here, Nina finally replies her mother and she says that Mama, I don't want to go to the wedding. So mother is a bit surprised. She asks, but why? Nina said nothing. Instead, again she had tears in her eyes that rolled down her cheeks. When her mother saw her crying, she put her arms around Nina. She hugged her with love and said, don't cry, my pet. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Then she asked her daughter, tell me the reason. What is bothering you? Why you are so worried? What is making you cry? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. And there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep, asking for food. I see, said mother. Now here you can see that Nina has started telling her trouble, the problem that was bothering her, to her mother. What she said that, Ma, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. Here you can see the picture of a nest where there are 2 little baby sparrows. She continues further and says that, Mama, they are growing. They are just beginning to get their feathers. And growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they just cry for food. And what do they say? Cheep cheep, cheep cheep. Mother was listening to Nina and she just answered, I see. Now Nina continues, if we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama Sparrow feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We leave the window open. Oh, can we? Mother, can we really? Yes, we'll remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama Sparrows can come and go freely too. After saying this, Nina shows her concern that, Mama, if we go, the whole place will be locked. Then how will Papa and Mama Sparrows feed their babies? The babies will be hungry the whole day long and they may die of hunger. So now Nina's mother understood the entire problem. She cried, Oh Nina, and she gave her a big hug with love and said, is this the reason that was bothering you? Then you need not worry. That's no problem at all. We have a solution. We will leave the window open. And in this way, Papa and Mama Sparrow will come to the room and will feed their babies easily. And what we will do, that we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So it will be perfectly safe. Listening to her mother's idea, Nina feels so happy and she says, oh, can we, mother? Can we really do this? So Mama says, yes, baby, we can do this. Mother says, just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? So now the mother is convincing her that just imagine that you will be enjoying your aunt's marriage in Delhi with all the family members. Meanwhile, here the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat because they will get the food on time. Isn't it a good idea to enjoy the marriage as well as to take care of the problem that how the baby birds will be fed by the parents? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? So Nina liked the idea, and finally she goes with her family to attend her aunt's wedding. And when she comes back, she was shocked as well as surprised to find those two little baby birds have now grown up and have started flying, and they look plump and are flying all over the room. That made her feel very excited and thrilled. She was happy to see those baby sparrows grow into a healthy bird. So here the story ends. Hope you have understood and enjoyed it. So your homework for today is to read the story twice and underline the difficult words. Tomorrow we will be doing the word meanings of the words of the new terms that we have learned in the lesson. So meet you tomorrow. Till then, do the homework. Take care. Thank you and bye-bye.